Hello and welcome to this video. We were continuing the first chapter of your geography, that is the earth in the solar system. In last video we discussed up to the moon, and in this video we will discuss about asteroids and meteoroids. Let's start it. Asteroids. There are numerous tiny bodies which also moves around the sun. These bodies are called asteroid. Well, in the solar system there are 8 planets which keep revolving around the sun. You can see here in this picture there are 8 different planets, they keep revolving around the sun. Well, except these planets, there are several small tiny bodies which keeps revolving around the sun, and those are known as asteroids. These are found between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. You can see here this is planet Mars and this is planet Jupiter. Mars is the fourth planet from the sun according to its distance, and Jupiter is the fifth planet from the sun according to its distance. So Mars and Jupiter are neighboring planet, and between Mars and Jupiter planet there is a belt of tiny bodies which are called asteroids, and this belt is called as asteroid belt, and this separate the inner four planet from the outer four planet. You can see here Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. These four planets comes inside the asteroid belt, and the planet like Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune, these four planets comes outside the asteroid belt. So the four planets, that is Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars, are called inner planet, whereas Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune are called outer planet. The scientists believe that these are the part of a planet which are formed by the explosion of the planet many years ago. Well, scientists believed that these tiny asteroids are part of a planet which might get exploded in the past, and these are that planet's remainings. Now we will discuss about meteoroids. The small pieces of rocks which move around the sun are called meteoroids. Well, meteoroids are like asteroid, they are very small objects and they also revolve around the sun. Sometimes these objects come close to the earth and drop upon it. Well, because the earth has gravitational force which keep all the objects attached to it. Like, have you ever wondered that how we are not flying? Like, when we fill a balloon with air, it just started floating in the air, and in order to keep that towards the ground we attach a string and tie it up or held it. So we are not attached with any string, then how we are not floating in the air and just settle over the earth? It is because of the gravitational pull of the earth. Gravitational pull of the earth attract object towards it and not away from it. So as the earth has gravitational pull, it sometimes attracts some meteoroids which are passing by the earth. While dropping on the earth, they get heated up and burn due to friction with the air and appear as a flash of light. And when the meteoroids get attracted toward the earth and they rush toward the earth, they get burnt up due to friction in the air, they burnt, and it seems like a flash of light is rushing toward the earth. Meteors sometimes do not get burned completely and strike the earth's surface, creating a halo. Sometimes the meteors get burned completely and only their ashes drop somewhere over the earth. But sometimes, because the meteors or the meteoroids are pieces of rock, just like asteroid, sometimes they do not get burned completely and they strike the earth, and where they strike the earth, because it is a solid object, it create halo over the earth surface. That's all about this video. Thank you.